Hi guys, this is great. We've progressed from understanding the basic terms associated with email marketing and list building. We've covered off what the basics of opt-in pages are and some of the more specific details required to make them effective. Today, I wish to take a closer look at lead magnets. As the word magnet would suggest, it's about attraction, which is why the process is sometimes called attraction marketing. Just like a carrot on a stick to get the donkey to move forward, the word lead magnet is aimed at getting the potential customer to supply their email address in exchange for a digital item that appeals to them. The big question is, just what would that item be? Or what would the appeal be? The answer to that is based on the function of the opt-in page being very much about niche down targeting the right audience, having a freebie that is relevant to the right audience. This could be a number of things. For example, an ebook, audio podcasts, course discounts, PDF reports, one-on-one consultations, useful gadgets. The full emphasis should always be about quality, not quantity, and customer retention. Cheers. There's a slide at the end of the video that shows you what we've covered today. You're welcome to take a screenshot. Look out for my next video on email sending strategies. And don't forget to like and follow or subscribe if you wish to see more of what I present, which is mostly about helping you move forward in your quest to make money online.